Okay, see students, in your fifth semester of BA final year, just like your last 2 years, you will have 80 marks for your theory examination and 20 marks for your internal assessment. In theory examination, it has been divided into two parts. One is the textual part, the text you have in your syllabus, and you know, Kanthapura, a novel, would be the text for you. Then second part is of your grammar. What will be there in grammar? We'll see through this paper pattern. So this is the paper pattern provided by university on their site, that how will you get your questions in your examination. See the question number 1, the students will be required to answer any 4 out of given 6 in about 100 words each from the prescribed text. So wherever there is reference to prescribed text, it means they are talking about Kanthapura. Okay? So in your first question, you will get 6 questions, and out of 6, you will be asked to do 4. So 4 marks for each question. First question will consist of 16 marks. Second will be the question of essay type with internal choice. Internal choice means you will be asked to do 1 out of 2 again from Kanthapura, and this question will consist of 14 marks. Third, students will be required to give answers to the questions that follow a passage from the prescribed text. It means you will get a paragraph from Kanthapura, and on the basis of paragraph, you will get 4 to 5 questions on its end, and you are supposed to answer those questions. Those questions will be from the paragraph only, just like a scene passage. Okay, generally 6 questions are asked, 1 mark for each question. So this question is of 6 marks. Question number 4, students will be required to write short notes on any 3 literary terms out of the given 5. Students are also required to illustrate the term by citing from the prescribed text. Now see, these days we are discussing the elements of novel: characterization, plot, story, time and space. So these are the terms related to novels. And after that we will discuss different types of novel. So from types and different aspects of novel, you will get terms which will be 5 in numbers, and out of 5 you are supposed to do 3. So this question will consist of 9 marks. Till here all the questions are from the text Kanthapura, and see how many marks Kanthapura consists of: 16 plus 14, 30 plus 6, 36 plus 9, 45. So you will have 45 marks paper from your text. Now let us see grammar part. In grammar, question number 5 will be from grammar, and see the A part, you will be asked to convert the sentences from simple to compound or complex, or vice versa. So in your syllabus of grammar, you have topic of sentence, and 3 kinds of sentences are covered there: simple, complex and compound. The second topic in your syllabus is, from grammar's point of view, clauses. So you are supposed to do clauses, defining and non-defining clauses. This question will be of 6 marks. Conditional clause is also there, means types of clauses. Conditional clauses will be of 6 marks, and similarly defining and non-defining clauses again will be of 6 marks. After that, question number 6. In question number 6, students will be required to develop a short story on the basis of given outline. Means you will get hint. I think you must have done essay writing on the basis of outline, where you are giving certain words which you are supposed to link in order to develop your writing. Similarly, you will be given certain hints, and you will develop your own story on the basis of those hints. This part of grammar relates to improving your creativity, your writing skill, your imagination skill, and this question will consist of 5 marks. The last question, the most scoring one, and ironically the most underestimated one, is the question from Pressy writing. You will be given a paragraph of 300 words which you will be asked to make Pressy of, and this question consists of 12 marks. And this is the section of grammar from where we will start our class. It seems to be very simple somehow, but in the lack of practice, students, they are unable to score good marks in Prezi. But you can score good if you practice it.